Warning! 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 Warning!
This is an emergency alert system activation. This is not a test. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency and the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. Please listen carefully. A catastrophic energy discharge event is expected in 5 days. The event will occur at approximately 7 a.m. Hawaii Standard Time on September 9th. A quantum-based anomaly has been detected, projected to trigger a massive matter state detonation under the Pacific. Immediate impact zone, all of Hawaii and surrounding oceanic regions. Due to the scale and energy of this event, it is expected to cause catastrophic damage across a wide area. All islands and much of the surrounding ocean will be vaporized. Mandatory evacuation orders are in effect for the entirety of Hawaii. All residents must evacuate to the mainland immediately, with shelter locations and evacuation routes to be announced by local authorities. Secondary effects. The west coast of the United States, from California to Washington state, as well as inland areas up to the Midwest, will experience severe aftershocks, extreme weather events, and widespread destruction. Hurricane-force winds exceeding 200 miles per hour are expected to strike all coastal areas following the discharge. Tsunami waves reaching heights of over 100 feet will impact coastal regions, including Los Angeles, San Francisco, and Seattle. Inland flooding will follow within hours. Earthquakes measuring 10.0 or greater on the Richter scale are expected along the Pacific Rim, with ground collapse and land displacement likely to affect the entire Midwest. Toxic airborne debris and intense ash clouds will be present within a 1,000-mile radius. All persons within this zone face lethal conditions without protective shelter. All individuals must evacuate by the deadline. Failure to comply will result in certain death, as relief and rescue resources will be severely limited due to the scale of impact. Disaster response will be insufficient to cover all affected areas. All federal, state, and local emergency resources are activating in response to this event. Follow orders from local officials and monitor emergency broadcasts. Once again, a catastrophic energy discharge event is expected in 5 days. All persons within the evacuation zone must leave immediately or risk unsurvivable conditions. Survival outside designated shelter zones is not expected. This message will repeat until all broadcast channels have confirmed receipt. May God help us all.